arithmetic progression, right? Where and progression is given to you, that is this one 20, 19, 1 by 4, 18, 1 by 2, 17, 3 by 4. We need to find the which term of this AP is the first negative term, right? So let us solve this question, right? So this is the question. The given series of AP is like this. So 20, 19, 1 by 4, 18, 1 by 2 and 17, 3 by 4. So students, see it. This 20 is the first term of that AP. And if AP is like this, A, then A2, then A3 till AN, right? Then we can say A as the first term of that AP. First term. So here the first term of this AP is what? Just see it, is 20. 20 is the first term of this AP, arithmetic progression. So put the value of A as 20, right? This is known to you. This data is important, right? Why? Because you know that nth term of any AP is calculated by the formula AN, right? That is, the nth term is given by the formula A plus n minus 1 into D, right? And what is D over here? D is the common difference. D is the common difference. Now let us calculate D over here because that is not given to you. You know how to calculate D? D equal to common difference. That is calculated when you subtract any of the term from its subsequent term, right? If you subtract second term from third, you will get the common difference. When you subtract third term from the fourth, you will get the common difference. When you subtract first term from the second, you will get the common difference. So just take any one. So let us take this one, the first and second. So from this we are calculating the common difference. So common difference is calculated by any of the subsequent term minus his previous term. So let us do one thing. Take the second term, that is 19 1 by 4, and subtract 20 from this. This will give you the common difference, right? Now just simple calculation, 19 into 4, 36 plus 1, 37, 3, 77. 77 minus 77 by 4 minus 20, right? So this will give you 77 minus 80 by 4, right? And which will give you minus 3 by 4. So D is calculated as minus 3 by 4. This is the common difference to you, right? Now we need to calculate the first negative term. What's that? So let the nth term is the first negative term. Let us assume it. First term. That is the first negative term is nth term. And we know that by the formula of nth term of AP, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? This formula. Now let the nth term is negative, so the value of the nth term, this should be less than 0, isn't it? This should be less than 0 because the question is given that negative, and any negative number is less than 0, right? So here you can see an inequality will be formed, right? Just put up the value of A of AP, you get the A as 20. put the value of a as 20, and n that we need to calculate, that is that nth term will be the negative term. So keep it as it is, n minus 1, n minus 1 into d. What's d? The d is minus 3 by 4, which we have calculated, minus 3 by 4, right? And this entire value will be less than equal to less than 0, not equal to, it's less than 0. Hi David. Yeah, you were joking. No, just concentrate, dear. It's important question. Yeah, just try to understand how we are solving it, right? Thank you. So 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 by 4 should be less than equal 0. So just solve this equation inequality to get the value of n, and that n will be the nth term, will be the first negative term. So just simple calculation, 20 into 4, taking the LCM, it will be 80. 20 will be multiplied with 4, it will be 80, plus minus 3 into n minus 1 will be 3 minus 3n, 3 minus 3n here. This will be less than 0. And when you will solve it, 80 plus 3, 83, less than 3n will be go to the RHS, right? So here you are getting the value of n is 83 by 3, and n should be greater than 83 by 3. And when you solve it, just divide 83 by 3. What will be that? 3, 2, 6, 23, 3, 7, 21, plus balance will be 2, 27.666, like that. So the value of n should be greater than 27.666, like this, right? Hi Alexis, hello. So the n should be greater than 27.66. That means what is the natural number greater than 27.66, right? Greater, the number greater than 27.66, the first natural number is 28. So the value of n is calculated as 28. So 20th term of this AP is the first negative term. So that is the 28th term, right? 20th term is the 20th 20th term is the first negative term of this arithmetic progression, right? Yeah, Alexis, you want to say? Oh, great. I hope you understood it, right? In this question, what we did, there is a AP given. We need to find the first negative term of this AP. We considered the nth term is negative, and the A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula of n term, nth, any term of any AP, right? For nth term, it will be A plus n minus 1 into D. So here what we did, we just equated it with and form as an inequality which will be less than 0, because any negative number should always be less than 0, right? Here we put up the value of a as 20, n is acting as a variable over here, and d is the common difference. We calculated the d, that is common difference, after subtracting the number from its subsequent term. You can also calculate the d when you subtract second term from the third, when you subtract the third term from the fourth. So here we did calculated the common difference by calculating the by subtracting the first term from the second here, and this d is calculated to you, that is the common difference to you, and 20 n minus 1 and d is minus 3 by 4. Here you can see an inequality is formed in a variable n, right? We solved this to get the value of n greater than 27.66, right? So the 27.6 is greater than 27.66 is 28, right? So n equal to 28. So 28th term of this AP is the first negative term. So in this way we have solved this question. I hope you like and understood this question. Thank you so much for watching. Just like and subscribe, students. Bye bye. Take care. And for any query, just put up into the comment box. I will just help you. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Any doubt you can put up into the comment box. Yeah, Alexis. 508. I hope you understood it. David, David Marina, I hope you understood it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it helped how you understood how to solve these questions. Any such questions of AP where the negative term or any nth term need to be calculated, you can solve in this way. The ultimate agenda is that we need to create an equation in a variable with known terms, right? And that the single variable can be calculated. Okay, so here we have solved this. I hope you like it. I hope you like this solution. And for any query, you can put up into the comment box. Yes. Yeah, around 8 days back, I uploaded a shorts of it, and I thought to explain this question because in a short is very less duration. That is 1 minute. In a 1 minute of time, it's very difficult to explain the question, right? So I explained it in a live session. I hope you like it. Any query you can put up into the comment box. Alexis, thanks for understanding, and I am very happy to know that it helped you. Great, David, David Medina. No, it's one. Oh, you are joking. Oh, no problem. Just concentrate, dear. It's if you concentrate for a moment, you will understand it. Okay. For any AP questions, you will be able to solve without anyone's help. Yeah. So thank you so much, students. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just winding this live session, and let me come back again after some time with some different question. Thank you. Bye bye.